Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to buy an Apple Watch Series 7 with $135 discount. This is not a clickbait. However, this might not work for everybody because you need to apply for Amazon store credit card to get some part of this discount, but everybody can get $50 discount. So first, let's hop into the screen and see how we are going to do that. Alright, now you can see in Amazon these days there's a $50 discount for Apple Watch Series 7. Either it is with cellular or without cellular, you will get that $50 discount anyways. So for the $45 45mm one, GPS, without GPS, you can choose any kind of combination, but I'm sure it's until the stock lasts. So there are some versions now it's not available, but you can still buy these popular colors. So that's the first 50 discount that you are going to get. After that, you will see different offers appearing here. If you go here, now it says 33 43 a month, less than 18 months. There's an offer like that, and now it says get $50 off instantly, pay $429 upon approval of Amazon reward Visa card. So when I am buying this one, I got an offer to apply for Amazon store card. If I get approved for the Amazon store card, I am getting $60 gift card in Amazon, which I can use to buy whatever I want to buy, but I can apply that credit the gift card to this Apple Watch also. So in that case, I go ahead and apply for an Amazon store card. I got approved, so I instantly got $60 discount there as a gift card. So I was able to apply that card to buy the for my price. At the same time, I got another offer. You might as well get that offer if you are lucky. If you reload your Amazon gift card voucher, or if you buy a $100 Amazon gift card, they will give you another $10. So what is good thing about this gift card is you can use that gift card to buy this purchase. So you can use that gift card to purchase this Apple Watch. So I saw that I will get another $10 if I buy a gift card. So what I was did, I instantly bought a $100 gift card using my Amazon store card. So now I already got $50 from the Amazon itself. Then I got approved for the Amazon store card. Then I got another $60. By reloading $100, I got another $10 off. So total $120 off for my purchase. Then since I use my newly approved Amazon store card to buy my gift card, as well as pay the rest of the money for the Apple Watch, I am getting 5% cashback for my purchase. So I ended up paying $302 something from my pocket. So for that $302, I am getting a 5% discount. So for $100, it's $5. So for $300, I am getting another $15. But it's not instant. I might have to wait some time to get that $15 back, or I will get that as points or something like that. But anyways, in future I might be able to use that. So in total, I was able to save $120 on the spot, and plus another $15 from the cashback. So this is how I managed to get my Apple Watch Series 7 for an discounted price which you can't find anywhere. So now let's try to unbox the brand new Apple Watch 7. Alright, you can see in the cover it says Apple Watch, and in the back you have a cover like this. First you need to remove that, and you can take out the Apple Watch and the belt for it. According to the belt that you choose there, you will get a different one. So first let's unbox the belt. It is unbox and see. Okay, so this is how they place it. All right, once you take it out, you have some paperwork here. Then you will see the belt itself. Actually, it comes with an extra strip here, I think. Yes, so there are two parts. I'm not sure how to take it out. Okay, so this is one part and this is the other part. Feels pretty premium. And this one, that's the extra one actually. I think if we broke this one, it's most likely to break this part since we're using these holes. We have extra one here. Okay, that's a good thing. Alright, so we'll keep this aside with the box. Then good stuff. So you can remove. These two. Right. When we open the box, what you will see, as always, the paperwork, Apple stickers, and the normal manual and instructions. Then a cable to charge the Apple Watch. You won't get the charging brick here, and the watch itself in a cover. Oh. This is actually a 41mm one. I thought it will fix to my hand. Actually, it looks okay. This is how it looks, the final product. Okay guys, this is all for this video. If you are able to get the discount as I showed you, please leave a comment down below. I hope you will get the discount, and if you get to enjoy the Apple Watch Series 7. Then this is it for this video. I will see you soon in another video. Ciao.